Bitcoin has found support around 57.5K. We are kicking to the upside. This is looking good, guys. I'm going to show you where I am projecting price to move, and I'm going to show you some things to watch out for. We're going to go through some smaller time frame analysis where we can hop in on these trades. Momentum is shifting to the upside. It is leaking through to the longer time frames. This is starting to look good. I warned you about this in my previous videos, guys. So stick with me, watch this all the way through, 8 to 10 minutes of your time, and I will let you go. Before we start, guys, smash the like button for me if you've been watching this channel, if you've gotten something from this channel, if you like the frequent updates. Hit the like button. Comment down below if you think we are going to all-time high on Bitcoin. It is time to get the consensus. Are we hitting all-time high here on this pump up, or is this just a bull trap and we're going to start moving to the downside? Let me know. Are you team up or team down in the comments down below? Let's get right into this. All right, I have this box marked out and on where we found support, guys. And if you watched my previous video, I told everyone that this was looking like a nice ABC correction down. It's what we were looking for. As we zoom out a little bit, just a little bit, we were looking at this entire structure here being a WXY, in which we had WXY. And you know, in Discord, in the premium Discord, I gave this alert that we needed to hold this level at 57.5K. Zooming in here, this level right here, we needed to hold at 57.5K. I gave this trade. I told everyone I was long last night. We had some crazy price action. But yeah, we are long on this trade. Beautiful setup and hoping to see this push towards the upside. I'm going to give you this count here and show you what we're looking at and show you what to watch out for, because some tricky stuff can happen in here. Some tricky stuff can happen as we zoom out in here. And I don't want you guys to get caught off guard with your pants down. So get them pants pulled up. Let's get into it. Ultimately, we're going to zoom out for a quick second and just show you the big picture, what I'm looking at. Everyone knows I was looking for this to retrace and then continuation towards the upside, towards all-time high. And overall, I just want to see this be a finish 2. I want to be done here. Let's pump. Let's pump. Big 3 wave up to, you know, 74, 75K. Wave 4, finish it out up to like 80K. That looks good for a finishing wave structure for me. On this one wave, you can see that we did retrace beautifully to the 0.5 fib. Great spot to bounce on. And looking at this a little closer on this retrace, I have this mapped out as a WXY, where we have a correction down, correction up, correction down. Now, whoa. As I measure this last correction, it did, to me, it stopped a little premature. It was tough to measure, but if they brought it down any further, there was limit buys down here, guys. Everyone was ready to long down here. In my opinion, I don't think they were going to give everyone that opportunity. We fired long here. It was on the 1-to-1 ratio of this extension. Beautiful, beautiful retracement. And let's get impulsive. I really want to see this start pushing up here. Really want to see this start breaking through some resistance here, leak out, and then let's just pump. Let's pump. Let's do it. So that's where I stand overall. Now I'm going to show you some things that you need to watch out for, and then we're going to go smaller time frame and see if we can hop in on some longs here if you're not already long. You know, as I stated in the premium Discord, we are long. If you want to join premium, there's a free Discord linked in the description down below and pinned in the first comment. I do post alerts in there, but for the daily alerts, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts, full access to me in the chat. You get my full Elliott wave course and indicators. Go to upgrade here when you're in Discord. You get $25 off your first month with code 25off. Go utilize that code. I want to see everyone in there. I'm giving you the opportunity. Let's make it happen. So, looking at this from an Elliott wave point of view, this looks pretty much finished, and I'm just looking at 5 waves up to finish out our complete structure. Make this full screen for you. And then we have a nice 5-wave shape. Could be considered an ABC. And then I'm looking to reject and start hitting to the downside. Take some liquidity out down here around 30K, 40K. Can get lower than that, of course. But we're not going to look too far ahead. So what am I looking at smaller time frame? What is some shenanigans that can get pulled here if this doesn't want to pump through? I mean, it's primed up, perfect opportunity to start pumping, but what can they pull that would screw some people? Well, as I'm looking at this, I know Bitcoin loves to flat. It's liquidity sweeps all over the place. This has been tough price action to trade. It has been. So, we do have a finished correction down. We do have the weekend coming up. Be aware. We can give you something like this. Come up. Kind of make this drag out a little longer. And then flat. And then we have our corrective shape here. Come down. Actually take out this liquidity. And then go. These are some things you need to watch out for. You need to be ready for. Just because we're impulsing through here right now, so just because we're pushing up right now, doesn't mean it's going to push up forever. We could just sweep liquidity, come back down, take some more, and then come back up, take some more, flat down. Like, this is a very real possibility for a wave structure. You need to be aware of that. These are, trading Elliott wave for so long, I see these structures, like I visually see all the possible scenarios. If you trade Elliott long enough, you are going to have that vision. You just need to stick with it. You need to learn. You need to know this stuff, because trading will never be the same for you if you do. It's changed my life, and I want it to change yours as well. All right. So going in smaller time frame, what trades can we get into here? What trades are looking juicy to me right now? If I was not in a trade, if I was not long, what would I be looking out for? I'll tell you. If you want to trade this market, if you're looking for an exchange, I'm on Blowfin right now. It's the best exchange that I found that's no KYC. It's what everyone's using. I got a link for you guys for 15% back on your initial deposits. It's a free 15% gain on your account. You can get up to $7,500 in bonuses if you just deposit your money. Easy. And then you get entered to win up to a Rolex watch just with your trading volume. Utilize that link. Is the best link they have right now, and I hooked you guys up with it. I'll see you on Blowfin. Now, what are we looking at here as far as trade setups to get into? Well, if I was not in a trade, if I was sitting on the sidelines, first thing I would be looking for, smaller time frames. We're on the 15-minute. First thing I'm looking for is, like I said, Bitcoin loves to flat. I'm looking for a flat where we have 1, 2, 3. So let me draw this out for you. I'm going to look at this as an impulse off the bottom. We have a correction down. We may have a correction up. Maybe it comes to just the 1-to-1. We sweep out this liquidity here. And then impulsive wave to the downside, like so. So we have our A, B, C. I'd be looking for a reaction here at the 1-to-1 to short this sucker down to around 57K. That would be my first trade setup. I am long. I'm looking long, but I'm long from down here, guys. I wouldn't recommend longing from up here. I would never recommend that. So you look for the next possible trade opportunity, which would be a short here, playing a flat correction down. It's a very real possibility. It has a very good chance of actually happening. So I would be looking for that immediately, and then definitely looking long around here at 57K to spike up to the highs. Now, if a flat doesn't want to play, what are we looking at? Well, I'm looking at this as a 1. You can look at this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, and now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? You're going to want this trend line to really hold here for this to be the case. And if that's the case, this is just going to shoot up and be impulsive. It's going to just gut up. But again, it's hard to trade that on a breakout because there's so many different things that can be happening. You want to long this down here in this area, which I alerted in the premium Discord. That's where you want to be long. If you're not, okay, well, look for the next trade opportunity that's low risk, high reward, which would be a short on the flat, right? So I you know, those are my two most likely scenarios. Either we jack up out of here or we flat. So I'd be looking short here, long here, back up. Those would be my next trade opportunities. I'll keep you posted on what's going on, guys. Let's see what happens. We're about to get some action today. I feel it. Hope everyone's doing well. Smash the like button. Comment down below. Thank you for watching the video all the way through. I love each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next one.